A very good day, everyone. This is about the Biophilia Tracker X2, about making a backup of your client records, your client data, importing, exporting, importing, selecting the directory. Now, first of all, when you install the Biophilia Tracker X2, it automatically makes a directory of your client data, and it makes that directory standard on your desktop. You can see it on your desktop. Let's see if Windows wants to give me what I want. 3 times nasty Windows. So you see here on top, a file, a directory called base.dat. It can also be here or here, but it's only to show you. And in this directory are all your files, as you can see, your patients, records, etc. But I can imagine you do not want this. You say, no, that's very confusing. I want my own directory, backup directory for my clients, and I myself prefer it too. So you click on, again, go back, you click on settings, then administrator, then save to disk, and here are all your records, in my case only one. Now the first thing you do is you select an export folder. This is not only the export folder, this is also the import folder, so do not be confused. Export is also import, and you can have 2 folders. With the next release, we will change this name in export import folder. But for now, you make a directory in your data directory on your C or your D drive, and you create a new directory called, in this case, Biophilia, Biop, data. In my case too, because I already have a data directory. Biophilia data with a new map here, and you say okay, now the folder is created. So now you are ready to export all, and you see it on the right side, and this is all you have to do. Now it's in that directory. Why do I prefer to not use the base.dat directory? Because if you remove your software, also the base.dat directory could be removed, and then you lose your data. So it's better to select your own export import folder, like here, so it's separated from the system. Now, for example, if you delete this record, something happens and your one or more records are gone. I never had it, but it could be. So we delete this record. Now we have a problem. We do not have that record. But in the backup, it's still here. So what I do is press the import all button, and the records are back again. And that's the same counts, of course, if you delete the records in your backup. Then you can export them all to the directory. Export them all to the directory, and then it's there. So this is all what you have to do. This is all about how to make backups, how to export, how to import, and how to select the export and the import folder. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful time, Tommy. Bye bye.